Based on the striking design of the Auto concept car, the 2026 Polestar 6 is poised to become the luxury electric automaker's flagship sports car. Built on the same aluminum platform as the forthcoming Polestar 5 luxury sedan, the 6 features a sleek convertible hardtop and a two-door design, while maintaining Polestar's signature minimalist interior aesthetic. As Polestar's first convertible, the 6 represents an entirely new model for the brand and is expected to debut for the 2026 model year. While only the concept has been revealed so far, additional details about the production model are anticipated as its launch date approaches. Polestar has not shared comprehensive specifications for the 6 yet, but it will utilize the 800-volt electric architecture from the Polestar 5 sedan. This includes an 884 HP dual-motor powertrain, which is projected to propel the car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Images of the concept car reveal that the Polestar 6 will adhere to the brand's clean and minimalist design philosophy. The interior features a squared-off steering wheel with a small digital gauge cluster, while linear, uncluttered lines create a wide and modern look for the dashboard. A large storage compartment spans the length of the center console, complemented by a single control knob near the armrest for managing the infotainment system. The 2026 Polestar 6 is expected to have a starting price of around $100,000.